In this video, I'm going to show you how to massage the legs face up. So I'm going to continue with the legs. And of course, I want to go ahead and make sure that she's tucked in for her privacy. And once again, I'm going to start with the adjusting. Get that ankle, and then her individual toes, and then the ankle, like that. And continuing with the adjustment on this side, pull the ankle, individual toes, and then adjusting the ankle this way. Once again, starting with the lotion, nice long strokes coming up the body, and then up underneath the low back again, always incorporating the whole body into my strokes. And then the next move, a little bit deeper. All the way up underneath the back, down. And the third time, even get some knuckles in here, going a little bit deeper, all the way up, and then up underneath the back, and then down. And then starting with the feet, just like we did with the hands, in between these bones, and then come here and just pull a little bit on the toe. And then the next section, the top of the foot, and then come here and pull on the toe a little bit. And this third section, and come up here and pull on the toe a little bit. And that section, and then pull on the toe. And then the next section, and pull on the toe. This is a nice opportunity to incorporate a stretch in here. And then continue on with rotation around the ankle. One way and then another way, the opposite direction. Massaging up the leg, just alternating thumbs, even gripping the bottom of the calf if you'd like. Alternating thumbs. And then the petrissage, and I'm going to brace this area with my knee, just to make her leg feel more sturdy. Coming all the way up to the inside of the thigh. These areas can get really tight. In the next section. The lower leg I only divide into 2 sections. The upper leg will be 3 sections. Continuing with the knee, cross and cross the fingers. Cross and then cross the fingers. These knife edge knuckles. You can come in here and really work on this front muscle here, this tibialis anterior. This is where shin splints reside. And continuing with the knuckles all the way up the leg. And at this point, I like to pull and give a nice stretch of that leg. And come up again. And finally, coming up the leg. And then that nerve-wracking where we like to end. And as I'm finishing with that, I like to just cover her up. And then we're finished with one leg. And continuing with the other leg. Bring the sheet up, tucking it under her low back and in between her legs so she feels comfortable. First stroke coming up. Coming up the leg, behind the back, and down. Coming up the leg again. And then down. And then one more time. Nice and strong this time. You can even come in with a forearm if you'd like to really create more pressure behind the back and down. Massaging the foot in between the bones of the foot. Then the next section. And then circling the ankle in one direction and then the other direction. And then coming with the thumbs. And you're even kind of grabbing the calf muscle also while you're doing this move. And the petrissage, putting the knee here, just to help brace the area. Tibialis anterior, that shin muscle. Continuing up to the thigh. And the outside of the thigh. Now working with those knife edge knuckles. Crisscross across the knee. strokes again. Very strongly all the way up. And then come down. You can even rock the leg a bit. And then the second one, a little less strong. Up under the back. And then finally, up under the back again. And then when I come down, some nice soft strokes as I cover her leg up. We will be launching a new YouTube video every Wednesday and Friday at 3 p.m. and I'll be available for any questions you have or suggestions for future videos.